Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring Python programmers out there. We're going to explore the essential skills you need to write to a file using Python. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of file handling, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you've got Python installed on your system. If not, you can find the download link in the description below. Also, you'll need a code editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, to write and run your Python scripts. Some popular options include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook. In this tutorial, we will be using PyCharm. Here's how you can open a file for writing. Once the file is open, you can use the write method to write content to it. It's as simple as it sounds. Just write your text inside the parentheses. And don't forget to include the newline character when you want to add a line break. Here's an example. After you're done writing to the file, it's essential to close it using the close method. This step is often overlooked, but crucial to avoid any unexpected behavior and data loss. Here's how to close the file. While manually opening and closing files works, a better practice is to use a context manager. This ensures that the file is properly closed, even if an error occurs during writing. Here's how to use a context manager for file writing. You can also write multiple lines to a file by passing a list of strings to the writelines method. This can be super handy for writing entire paragraphs of text. Check this out. To add content to an existing file without overwriting its contents, open the file in Append Mode A. This is great for logging and keeping a record of data. Here's how to do it. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to writing files in Python. It's an essential skill for any programmer, so don't be afraid to practice and experiment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting Python tutorials. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.